of the grand opening week. So they opened last Monday and today is Friday, last day ng kanilang promo. Nakita na kami liwat ni Ma. Congratulations! It was such a successful opening ninyo diri. Finally, hindi lang siya sa picture. I'm now seeing it in person. I am here at the dessert table. Inuna ko talaga yung dessert, ha? This is the entry table. And now we are on the last table, which is the sushi, and this is why I am here. Look at that. Cold cut station. Sorry guys, because I can't choose what to eat, so I got the whole goblet. I got my plates ready. There we have. And now let's eat. Yes, mga kabangbang, if you are wondering, kasi today is the last day of my birth month and I feel like celebrating my life. Wow, my life. Celebrating you as part of my life. My life! Grabe. And ayun, gusto ko lang mag-contemplate ng mga bagay-bagay that I'm not getting any younger. So I just have to enjoy my life and celebrate. You know, eat what we want and just be happy. Potato tempura, okra, eggplant, shrimp tempura. But I like this shrimp po. The best to the best. It's an entry. Entry. Yay! We are halfway done with our food and gusto kong uminom, but you know naman that I am not allowed to drink cold drinks, so we have here the menu. Meron silang coffee, so let's try the coffee. And of course, after this week, tomorrow, meron extended ulit first day of July and second day of July, yung kanilang buffet. After that, pwede po tayong mag-order ng solo meals. Here, buy one take one. This is what I drank last time at Frap Vanilla Latte. Sarap nito, sarap ng vanilla latte nila. So let's try Cafe Mocha. Cafe Mocha na lang 12 ounce. Hot. Thank you. Alright, now we're ready to edit a few of our vlogs during our trip in Guimaras while waiting for our coffee. Then, while drinking our coffee, we will be eating our desserts and of course our burger. ng cheese kanina, but this is worth kahit na ubusan ako ng cheese kanina. Naman. You know that I'm a cheese lover. Nasayangan actually ako kanina kasi wala lang cheese. Together with the cold cuts, wala ng cheese. So I suggest you come here early. Namit. Churros. Brownie. My sweet tooth is very satisfied. Namit, gusto ko niyo. Ano ni tawag man? Buttered shrimp.
Buttered shrimp with herbs siya.
Ano na akong favorite.
Hindi mo gusto mong papaan tsaka to.
Ayoko. Worth it. Super. Walang halong biro. So, ari ang gina-target ko. Unfortunately, display lang siya. One. The red velvet. Okay. Then, I actually wanna try. Ooh! May isang natira and I think this is for me. Last ko nga kaon sa croissant sa tinapayan. Competitive. Wala ko nagsisi nga nagbalik ako sa bread station. Cafe.
TKK building Iloilo City proper.
Ayun. And tomorrow, extended ang aton nga buffet, no? On a Saturday and Sunday, that's 659 pesos. Tapos ang aton dinner, ganinang? 7:59. We open at 12 noon to 3 p.m. Then aton dinner is 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. Ayun. So, thank you so much. Thank you, Gid. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Manong. Bye-bye! Thank you, Gid! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!